Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install Accolyst. So once you download Accolyst from the link, you can see two files in the folder. So you have to open Setup. So you don't need to download backend separately. This setup file will download it for you. You just need to install it by double clicking the application. So as you can see, it will prepare the installation. It will check whether you have the backend with you or not, and it will download the SQL version automatically. All you have to do is just install this single setup. So it is integrated. You just install it. That's it. Just click next, next, finish. So in my system, I already have SQL. So in your system, if you don't have SQL server, then it will download automatically. So this is how you can install Coalesce setup. After that, you can see other files in the setup folder, or you can ask support team to send the same. So you can open other files, go for upgrade, and choose the file folder based on your system bit. 64-bit, open it, install the first one, then the second one. Simply open it and click next. It's already installed. You can continue with next and finish. You have to complete the installation, and after that use the second one. So you have to finish the installation. So once it's done, and before starting, you have to configure by using server configuration. For that, you have to open the file location of the software. You can probably find it in the Outline Resolution program files. Here, search for server configuration. Just double click and open. Here you can see either you can go with the demo version by clicking register later, or you can use one-time license. So in my case, I'm using a demo version. Click on register later. You can see the box like this. So once you open the server configuration, just stop the service and click on database list. So you can see the database list. Here you have to click on the blue color button and it will load your instance name. So in my case, this is my instance name. Select it, hit enter. So if you're doing a first time in a fresh system, you can see login failed for user. So what you have to do is just copy the instance name, open other files. You can see patch file, patch login user creation. You have to open this and run. Now you have to paste your server name here and click on the service name. Automatically the service name will appear. Just click OK. So most of the cases, this will enable and it will create the user. If you see like this, you just go to advanced, click on start browser, next authentication mode and user login. It's already exists, it seems. So you just close this, search for server configuration, whichever your configuration is, you can just open it. Here you can see three expandable side. Here you can just expand it. You can see if any of it is disabled. This is my instance name. This is disabled. Just enable. Simply enable it and go to the next one. Everything is enabled now. Once you enable all these, you just go to SQL Server Services and choose your service. This is my service. Now I need to restart it. It will take a few seconds. It will restart. It's done. Now we can go to the server configuration and do the rest. So Now you can select again and enter, and this time it won't ask you about the user. So if it is like this, after entering, there is nothing pop up, then which means it is okay now. It's time to create a new company. It's ready to create new company. Simply, you can click new company and you can browse wherever you need. For example, I'm using a company, any other drive. If you're using C drive, you cannot create a company directly in C drive. So you have to either go with additional driver. If you have any, then you can create it under any driver, which is okay. And if it is C drive you are choosing, it's only C drive you have, then you have to use users, public. There you can create new folder and you can create. In my case, I have a drive which I can simply create it under, let's say, yeah, backups. Let's create a demo, a name, and click OK. It's already there. Let's create something else. Demo. That's it. It will load and it will create a company for you. So once the company created, you can choose your company and you can save it. Now, this is my company and you can start. So once it's done, you can go to desktop and you can open Accolyst. So make sure it is started already. You can log in with the credential. So this is how you can install Accolyst. Thank you for watching video.